friends, and welcome to the studio. I am so glad you're here because today we are drawing the planet Uranus. Let's do it. When I draw Uranus, I like to start with the ring. Now I double that to give the ring a little thickness. Once my ring is in place, I can add in this icy giant. Looks awesome! Uranus is a really smooth planet, so besides coloring it in, we're not gonna do much to the texture and the details. But it does have 27 moons. Let's draw just a few of them. The biggest moon's name is Oberon. Next up, Titania. I like that name, Titania. Then there's Umbriel. Ariel. Look at this moon, isn't it neat? And Miranda. I'm gonna add in some stars. And before we finish this up, let's label it. Let's spell Uranus together. Ready? U R A N another U S. Uranus! Let's color it. Oberon. O B E R O N. Titania. T I T A N I A. Umbriel. U M B R I E L. Ariel. A R I E L. And Miranda. M I R A N D A. Ta-da! I love this drawing that we made together. I love drawing and making everything with you. If you like this video, like this video. And if you want to see more, subscribe to this channel. We draw, we make, we do science, we explore, we get creative. It's awesome. Kylee Makes It. K-Y-L-E-E. That's me. I'll see you next time.